Divide 785 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 8 and it is 28. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 5 and it is 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 0. So 785 divided by 5 is 157. So this much for today and thanks for watching.